What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist, and today is March 30th, 2023, and local time 8:40 p.m. I'm in Vancouver right now. I'm gonna be discussing uh, why this looks like a bearish structure and why I am doubtful, and I have date stamped it already. Let me show you here. So technically, this looks like a breakout structure. I've explained this yesterday that price is narrowing its range and higher time frame is supporting it, and price is over EMA 20 on all time frames. So this looks like a bullish structure, to be honest. I'm gonna be entering here again, and today I bought yesterday post market here, here to be honest, no here, and then somewhere here, and then I sold it at 404 because this is a resistance, and now the thing is that this looks like a bullish structure. This is working. I explained this is working, and now the thing is price is inside. The weekly supply zone, and it's getting tested now. And if it breaks it, then also you can enter from here. And if it doesn't break it, then it's gonna be risky. Now, if we look technically, uh, this is a bullish structure, but the thing is, SPY is made up of Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, Google, and all these stocks, right? And basically, the heavy weightage of tech sector here. So let me open first of all Microsoft, and Microsoft has already hit its resistance. This box till 292 is resistance. So Microsoft has heavy weightage in S&P 500, SPY, and then QQQ and Nasdaq, right? So this is again from tech sector, and this is approaching resistance. So you don't want to just enjoy like a dollar move and then it takes a fall, and then you will be in trouble. And look here, RSI is losing momentum. This is divergence here, right? I don't know how many of you guys know divergence. This is what bearish divergence, all right? And usually I look at bearish divergence by line charts as well. Let's go and check line charts as well. Look at this, clear cut. There's no doubt. There is no freaking doubt. All right. So this is bearish divergence clearly, and it's an oversold. Like you don't just look at bearish divergences anywhere. First of all, you need to know the levels, and then so this is happening at a level like volume. I've explained before as well. So Microsoft is done now. Let's go on Apple. Apple again. Apple is already, it came last week also in the gap, and then it started reacting and demand started working. But this demand zone is not a good one. All right. It worked. It worked. Anything can work in the market, but this was not a good one. Now price is approaching. I've seen this in Meta long time before. I'll try to figure it out in one of the. I'll discuss those charts, but for now, let's understand it's going deeper inside this green candle. And if you understand the price action for this green candle, buyers came in and they were actually absorbed by all the sellers because there's a gap down. It opened here at 163. It closed here at 163, and then it opened somewhere around here 160. So there is a gap which is filling now, which is getting filled now. So this happened in September 2022 and is getting filled in March 2023, almost at the end. Now the thing is that this is all happening. I think it's a weekly level as well, but this was tested as well. You need to understand that. That's why it's kind of doubtful. But again, this level should usually these works. And look at the pressure here. Volume is dropping on weekly. Can you see on weekly? This is the volume where the more volume started buying, volume started coming, then it goes down, it goes down. So all this is happening at a resistance level. All right. Let me check the volume for Microsoft as well. Uh, all right. It was trying to hold on top of this, but let's go on weekly and check it out. Look at this falling. All right. In a day, I don't know. You know what is happening now? Buying comes in, and then buying is getting accumulated near resistance. And if you look at this, this is a pro gap, my friends. Uh, this is a pro gap. This is risky, and Microsoft has a lot of weightage. Now, Apple is in a tested weekly, I think, yeah, weekly supply zone, but its origin is being tested now. Let's go to QQQ. QQQ again, buyers came in, they were absorbed by sellers, and look at the price. It took a deep fall, free fall, you can say. All right, not a free, but a good fall. And then now price is about to go and hit this. All this is happening inside resistance. And look at this. Look at this. Buying came in, it started holding at this volume level, but now buying and selling, their buyers and sellers are fighting because this level can stop. And then I don't know. Let's put line charts here and see if there is any divergence. So look at this from here to here. It's not a proper divergence, but yeah, there was some divergence here, but it's not that great of a divergence. So I cannot assure that. RSI is an indicator which helps me to find momentum sometimes. So I'm just putting it I'm just using it as an add-on. Let's go to the tech sector itself. All right. Now look at this tech sector. Tech sector itself is in heavy supply. All right. Even if it closes on top of it, there is again more supply. So going long would be a bit risky, to be honest. And no doubt, volume is trying to hold here. Sellers are, getting challenged here by buyers, but the thing is, everything is in supply zone. Look at this. All right, and look here, divergence again, probably. Let's check it out here. So the same thing, this is making higher highs, this is making equal highs. So again, we have divergence coming at the top. Now it's gaining momentum again. But again, my thing would be that every like tech sector has a maximum weightage in both S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and now they are hitting inside, they're trading inside supply zones, major supply zones. And then SPY is actually trading in freshly made supply zone. This actually news came in, it started reacting. It has approached here. I still have some puts position which I have not closed. I've enjoyed some move, some money. I made some money here. Exited at 404. Let's see what happens. All right, because SPY itself doesn't move. It is made with certain stocks. Yeah, right. You need to understand that. It says clearly ETF trust, right? So you need to understand that the major stocks that are inside SPY, they are actually in their supply zones, resistance zones. And we can see, we already discussed this, that Microsoft, Apple, they are kind of doing bearish divergences. So basically, there is a 50-50 chance. This structure looks bullish, but why do you want to take any chances? Why do you want to take any chance when you can just make money sitting at home looking at the charts, and when there is clearer picture you can go in, right? But for now we need to understand it's risky. So don't take risk, all right? Otherwise you will get trapped and then you will blame the market. So just trade safely. I will not be trading anything. I will just observe the market. That's the best thing for me, because even if I miss the move, it's fine. Price will let me re-enter, but again I will learn something new. So my suggestion would be to just wait. All right. Structure is bullish, but again stocks inside it is not bullish. So if it's a trap and it does take a fall, now all the demands are used. It will take a free fall. So just be careful. Hopefully, everything is gonna make more logic once tomorrow's candle is closed, and then we can go long or whatever we can decide. But for now, just hold on. That would be my recommendation. All right. So this was it, guys. Have a wonderful trading day tomorrow. Don't trade options and don't try to be greedy. And let's not fight market. Let's understand what market is trying to do. It's confusing me for a second now, but let's see what happens. But I'm not trading anymore. Excuse me, I'm not trading anymore for now. So take care, have a good one. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.